What's up? Today I'm gonna show you the proper way to set up a YouTube beat or whatever beat you get into a Logic session without it being too loud, when making sure it's on time. All that. So every time you download a YouTube beat, it's gonna have this really small space. So we're gonna have to take care of that. But first you wanna go over here and go on your beat track whenever you put it in there, and then you wanna go metering and BPM counter. You play like where the drums are usually. You just get the BPM of it. Kobain, how you do that? Alright, it's 120. And I already got that set up. So then what I usually do is I'll grab a lot of the beat and just drag it back. I'll go to the drop of the beat, zoom in on that. And then you want to grab wherever it starts. I guess like the transient or whatever. Wherever it starts getting big, it's really like right on time. Like make sure it goes right there. And then go back, bring this stuff back, And it's not gonna make a difference because it's like the smallest bit, but as long as that is on, the drum should, although the beat should be on time. And that's gonna make it easier. So let's say they wanna, they have like a hook or whatever. You could, like that's the vocal, or whatever. You can move the hook like over by the grid, and it's so much easier than having to like guess or have your engineer like have to manually do it without the grid, because that's corny, and we gotta make sure this shit is perfect every single time. And then you want to go on the gain, and I usually keep my beat at like -14 because you want a lot of room for the vocals. Like you can always make it louder later in the master, so have your beat at -14 is what I do. I heard like -12. I heard even -6, but I like a lot of headroom for him. You can always raise it up later. And then, yeah, it should be good. Also, it's good for like doing beat cuts. Like let's say you want to like do like a drop. You could take that section. You could put that like that, because you already tempoed it up, and you can do really cool cuts. Yeah, that's fire. That makes it easy to get everything on time and make sure you can move things around where you need to instead of just guess. And yeah, if you're trying to do echo on vocals on a beat that's not on time, it's just gonna sound like fucking dogs. So make sure you're good on that. Yeah, subscribe or I'll burn your fucking house down.